Hello, and welcome to Greenleaf TV, where we talk about super herbs that are great for diabetics.
The unsung hero of the plant kingdom, alfalfa and diabetes.
Alfalfa is a plant that has been used as food and medicine for centuries. It has been used to treat many ailments, including fever, constipation, diabetes, high blood pressure, and arthritis. Alfalfa is rich in protein, calcium, iron, vitamin C, K, and in minerals such as calcium and iron. This herb also contains chlorophyll, which is good for the digestive system and blood circulation. It's also high in antioxidants like phenols and flavonoids, which protect cells from damage. Alfalfa is an herbaceous flowering plant in the pea family that is used as a green vegetable. Alfalfa sprouts are among the most popular sprouts in the world. They are commonly eaten raw but can also be added to sandwiches, salads, and other dishes. Alfalfa sprouts are usually packaged in jars or plastic bags of various sizes. It also contains protein and dietary fiber. As a result, alfalfa has many health benefits, including reducing the risk of cancer and heart disease. Alfalfa is the most important food crop in the world. It provides over 50% of the world's animal feed supply and is a portion of high-quality human food. Alfalfa is a high-protein, low-fat, low-carbohydrate food that can be eaten raw or cooked.
Alfalfa and diabetes. What the science says.
Alfalfa has been studied extensively for its potential benefits to people with diabetes and its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Some studies show alfalfa can reduce blood sugar levels by up to 30%. Other studies have shown that it reduces cholesterol by up to 25%.
What are the side effects of alfalfa?
Alfalfa sprouts are a popular food for vegetarians and vegans because they are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. The side effects of eating alfalfa sprouts can vary from individual to individual. Some people may have an allergic reaction to alfalfa sprouts, but this is rare. Side effects could include headaches, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea.
What is alfalfa's role in diabetes management?
Alfalfa has been used for centuries to treat diabetes, but it only recently became popular in the United States. Alfalfa can be eaten raw or ground into a powder. It can be mixed with water or juice and drunk as a beverage. Alfalfa can also be cooked and eaten as part of a meal. Alfalfa contains substances similar to insulin, making it an effective diabetes treatment.
How to use alfalfa for diabetes?
Alfalfa is a plant that can be eaten raw or cooked. It is a good source of vitamins, minerals, and protein. Alfalfa is also high in phytonutrients, which have been shown to help with diabetes. Alfalfa contains an amino acid called L-carnitine. This amino acid has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels in diabetic rats by up to 30%. Alfalfa seeds are rich in protein and contain all 9 essential amino acids. Protein intake has been shown to help with diabetes control because it helps the body maintain its muscle mass and regulates blood sugar levels by slowing down the release of glucose into the bloodstream after a meal.
Why are alfalfa good for your stomach?
Alfalfa are rich in a type of carbohydrate called inulin. This is a soluble fiber that helps to promote the growth of healthy gut flora. These bacteria are essential for the digestion and absorption of nutrients, as well as protecting against harmful bacteria and viruses that can cause illness. Alfalfa sprouts also contain high levels of vitamin K, which is necessary for blood clotting. The plant also has antioxidant properties and helps to protect cells from free radical damage. Alfalfa sprouts are also rich in folic acid, which is vital for pregnant women because it helps to prevent birth defects of the neural tube.
What are the key takeaways from this vlog?
Alfalfa is a plant rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein. It is helpful for people with diabetes as it gives them a feeling of fullness and can help regulate blood sugar levels. The article discusses the benefits of eating raw plants with diabetes. Alfalfa is one type of plant that is helpful for people with diabetes because it can give them a feeling of fullness and help regulate blood sugar levels. Thank you for listening. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to learn more.